Hey everyone, you know what day it is? Right there, right there, you know what that is? Mists of Pandaria came out today. I got my copy, and I don't know why everybody's so, up on doing unboxings and everything, but figure, hey, why not do it? So, let me grab my, where'd my bag go? It's in my book bag. I'll be right back. So brain dead. So excited though. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's move the keyboard out of the way and see what. Wait a minute. This is Cataclysm. What? Why would that be in my bag? Seriously? Did they sell me Cataclysm? It was wrapped. What the? Cord. Steve, you jerk! Did you switch it out? You switched it out? Oh, be right back. Come on. Alright. Sorry about that. That's my evil twin Steve. Family. Yep. What are you gonna do? Alright. Well, I don't want to do, shaky cam while I'm holding it and trying to open it with one hand, so I'm gonna tip you down here for a second. And, bonus, all the ladies get a nice money shot there. Let me... Well, they wrap these good, don't they? Whew. Take the wrap off. Alright, show that to you. Let's tip you up just a little bit. Oh, there it is. World of Warcraft Mists of Pandaria Collector's Edition. Oh, yeah. Oh, excellent. Alright, let's see what we got here. The Art of Warcraft, World of Warcraft, Mists of Pandaria, blah, I can't talk. I love these things. The artwork in them is just absolutely amazing. I'll open that later. But I really, really dig Blizzard's art team and all the great work they do there. And then Mists of Pandaria, right there. Mousepad with the Pandaren monk. Oh yeah, nice. And then the World of Warcraft Mists of Pandaria soundtrack. Love all the work they do on making the music just as amazing as possible. Then we got the game DVD. I'll make sure my code isn't on there. I want you guys stealing it. Or Steve, jerk. But there's the game DVD. Very cool. I'll need that in a minute. I'm gonna start playing. Guest passes. Guest Pass to StarCraft 2. And the World of Warcraft Mists of Pandaria behind the scenes DVD. These are actually really interesting. I watched a little bit of it last night at the release party. They broadcast it on YouTube, and it was pretty cool. And they showed some of the graphic team footage from the DVD. So yeah, Mists of Pandaria Collector's Edition, very cool. I cannot wait to start playing. I played a little bit of the pet battle system, and yep, you're gonna make fun of me again, but I don't care because it was excellent, absolutely excellent. It's very satisfying in some strange way. Just sitting there, setting your little pet in, and I got the little Pandaren monk pet, and he's just awesome, and I love him. So yeah, that was that. Steve, jerk. So anyway, now that's over. So I'm gonna install it and get to playing because I need to make a monk. That's right, I need to make a monk, and that's just the way it is. So I'll see you next time.